Hello Apaches, Miss Wiemers here. Just wanted to give you a quick update about our classroom and how it operates. So here we go. This is our social contract. These are the ways that we all agreed that we would be safe, responsible, and respectful to each other and to our property here at school. This is our magnificent word wall that your students have come up with. We have a small groups area. This is the area where we do guided reading, where we do this daily. Your child is in a specific group based on their needs. This is our fabulous Chromebook cart, where students get to access technology. Here is our sanitation station, where we keep all of our cleaning supplies and sanitizing supplies. Here is a bunch of things that we have learned in the past 9 weeks. We've learned about matter, mixtures, and solutions. We're now learning about types of energy. We've talked about decimal and place value. Writing. We've talked about simple sentences, compound sentences, complex sentences. These are different tools that we get to use in our writing. So we've talked about hooks, how to hook our readers, and a webby. Your kiddos love the webby, so you should ask them about it. Fanboys, pitchforks, the psst test. That's a test to show if a sentence is complete or if it's a fragment. And what we're currently working on are these bada bings right here. The students are loving working on these bada bings. This over here is where your students get to read a story and then they get to write a quick response on something that they've read of their choice. Here's kind of what our classroom setup looks like. So while we have groups of desks, they are still spread apart fairly well. There is areas for children to take breathers in the classroom. Usually they go back there to the back of the room if they need to take a breather and take their mask off for a little bit. Here's currently what we're working on. We're working on multiplication. And today we read about, or this week we're talking about the Comanche Indians, the Comanche tribe and different tribes in American history. Here's some things we've done in reading and writing. There's our math strategies. Here's some other stuff that we've done in science. This was over, they had to compare and contrast mixtures and solutions. Some more things about reading. And then the dead words. The dead words is a class favorite. These students love catching each other when they use a dead word. Dead words are words that they can no longer use when they speak or when they write. They have to come up with something a little bit more creative than any one of those words. So if y'all ever have any questions, please feel free to dojo me or email me, and y'all have a great day. Thank you.